What's going on, guys? Putting on the new PDR cold air intake on the first gen. Here's what all comes in the box besides the stickers that aren't out. Everything's pretty good quality. Rubber, powder coated, PDR. Let's see if this is worth 200. These are 12s or 11s for me. Get everything loosened. Unscrew the wing nuts. I'm missing one, so I only got two. Put those right there. That's all. Put this on the ground. Take this off. I'm filming this on my phone, so it's not the best. I see it's attached right there. I'm gonna take that off. Looks like that's not even on good. Probably be in here, I'm thinking. Not even in there. That's how it was. Hashtag airflow, baby. Whatever works here, you know. I need to get that out. That bolt right there. Got it. It's a little crusted. Old one's out. Let's put the new one together and install it. Alright, should be good to go. I'm gonna start putting this all together before I put it into the truck, so I'm not messing around with it. Like, put this on, put the air filter on, make it all look good, make sure it's all even, lined up. You can always do a little adjustments when I get onto the truck. Here it is, finished, ready to put on. But I just want to see how it'll look in here for now. Just laying on there, looks pretty good. All installed, ready to go on the 12 valve. Came with this bracket, but I'm not sure how it goes in there, and it seems pretty sturdy. So if it starts sagging eventually, I'll find out a way to mount it up good and maybe make my own bracket. But yep, PDR cold air intake. Had this for about a couple days now on, and these are the ones they sent me. But my filter started falling down because I think they were too loose, but that bent when I was trying to tighten it, and when I was trying to loosen it, it snapped off. So I recommend this going to Ace or your hardware store and buying some hose clamps that are about that size. This one came like that, so this one's actually a decent one, kinda. It's like these ones. So yeah, definitely can tell the performance upgrade from it. You can hear the turbo a little more too, the fresh air going in. Cummins really likes that.